Let's summarize what we have learned. So the very first thing that you need to realize is we have looked at concave mirror. Okay. So if you are able to understand this and remember this, you're pretty much done with the syllabus. Right? 90% of the syllabus is just these 4 rules, and everything else is just logic and bit of understanding, right? Because everything is done through practicals, so it's not too hard to understand. Okay. Let me put it 75% actually. Sorry, there is 25% more, which is not the same. So 75% of the syllabus is done within these 4 diagrams. Okay, this logic that is. So this is your concave mirror. The first rule which we saw is any ray which is parallel to principal axis goes through, goes through focus. I would like to emphasize this. The parallel ray can fall at any point on the mirror. Okay, any point, doesn't matter. This is also good enough. This too is good enough, right? So at any point, doesn't matter. It will by default go through focus. Okay, a perfectly done concave mirror, right? That's your focus. This is the center of curvature. So any line falling at any space at this surface, will get bounced off to focus. Okay, so this funda is used in your dish, right? TV dishes. So what they have is they have a arm coming out and there's a sensor at this point. So that point is your focus. So if you guys have a small mirror, for one which you guys can play with and all of that, right? You can stick it at one of the point, very small mirror. And if you are by somehow able to flash a light, not light, actually laser, onto the mirror, it will fall at the focus. It will fall at the sensor actually. Okay, it's not that what it is complicated. It's fun. I'm sure you guys will learn by doing it. So do try if you're able to find a dish and if it's safe, that is. Okay, so basically any point over here, right? A parallel ray will go through the focus, will get concentrated at the focus. Okay, that is one thing that you guys have to keep in mind. Many people understand it half, midway. So don't be absent-minded. Okay. Next, a ray going through focus will be parallel to principal axis. Again, here too, you can consider any ray, right, at any angle going through focus will be parallel to principal axis. So any ray going through this particular red dot will become parallel to principal axis. Again, think in 3-dimension. Don't stick to 2-dimension. Right? This is your 2-dimensional drawing, but you should be able to think 3-dimension. The next one is any ray going through center of curvature, right? We'll just come back. Again, remember, it can be anyhow. Going, coming back. And the last one is at the pole. And it will just bounce off. So here, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so these are your 4 laws. And I'm sure you guys would have learned something new here. So please see to that you make a running note. If you understand this 4 and you understand the logic and have some sense of what is happening over here, you'll be able to understand pretty much 70%, 75% of your syllabus. So please see to that you understand and draw and practice this properly. If you've not done it, again, I'm telling you, before moving on to the next section, see to that till now, whatever we discussed is learned properly. Discuss with your friends, discuss with your teachers, practice yourself. Don't be lazy.